Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarayum. Today's concept is STRASSEMS matrix multiplication. It is a process of a multiplication. Is the purpose of if the multiplication order of the matrix is increases, then it is difficult to multiply the matrix. Increases, then it is difficult to multiply the matrices. So the scientist STRASSEMS has introduced this concept. STRASSEMS matrix multiplication made this process easy. General case, we use 8 steps to multiply this matrices. By using STRASSEMS matrix multiplication, there are 7 formulas. Is the process of doing the matrix multiplication. Let A and B are two matrices of size n cross n, applicable for only square matrices. N number of rows equals to n number of columns is known as square matrix of A cross B. A is the first element, first matrix. B is the second matrix of size n cross n. By using recursive function, we will perform this concept. If n equals to 2, then C matrix is the result of A and B multiplication A cross B. After multiplication, the matrices is checked by using C11, C12, C21, C22 elements. C equals to A cross B. Finding C11 element, we need to multiply first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. For multiplying C12, first row and the second column, A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. Finding C21 value, second row, first column, A22 into B11 plus A22 into B21. For finding C22 element, second row, second column, A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. These are the steps we use for multiplication. We need to perform 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 multiplications and 4 additions. By using this STRASSEMS matrix multiplication, he has introduced this multiplication concept by using 7 multiplications. In general case, there are 8 multiplications. By using this STRASSEMS matrix multiplication, we need to perform the multiplication by using 7 multiplications. It will decrease the time and it is used for saving time and doing the process in less time with more easy formulas. A and B is 2 cross 2 matrix, but it requires 8 multiplications and 4 additions. This is the example. These are the formulas is introduced by STRASSEMS. He is a scientist. He did the multiplication in 7 formulas. By using the 7 formulas, we can multiply the matrices P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. These are the 7 elements. These are the formulas. A11 first row elements adding and second row elements adding. A11, A22. Remembering the formulas, there is a trick. Diagonal elements should be added in first matrix and second matrix. Then after adding these two matrices in diagonal, then we need to multiply it A11, A22 adding together and B11, B22 adding together. After adding, we will multiply the elements. Then we will get the P value. B, A, B. These are the elements. 1, 1 for 2 elements, 2, 2 for 2. Q, R, S, T purpose. A21, A22, A, B, B, A elements. A, B, B, A. 21, 22, 12, 22. For these 22 is the same. For this opposite 21, 12. Same as it is for these and these step. Here A is introduced. For B, for A we need to keep brackets inside a B element. Here plus is taken, here we need to take minus. Here minus is taken, here we need to take plus. For A we need to take B elements in bracket. For B we need to take A elements in bracket. After this, write B matrix 1 1 1 2 adding, 2 1 2 2 adding. In case of this U, A21 minus A11 is multiplied. For here 2 1 2 2 elements is there. Here addition is there, we need to perform multiplication. Here B elements is there, we need to take A elements. 2 1 opposite is 1 2. For 2 2, 2 2 is as it is. Minus is there, we need to, here plus is there, we need to minus it. These are the formulas we use for STRASSEMS matrix multiplication. This is the another example. For larger order we use another concept like dividing the whole matrices into 4 parts. After that we need to take mid value. If 4 elements is there, means we need to take the half. 4 by 2 is 2, so we need to take the whole matrices into 2 cross 2. Then after we multiply these and add this in general case. This is the long process. By using this trick you can remember the concept in easy way. This is the example. After getting the PQRSTUV values, we need to remember again some formulas. C11, C12, C21, C22 finding value purposes. PSTV, we need to remember these by using some trick. Photoshop and TV. Plus minus plus. PSTV. P for photo, S for shop, television. Plus is there. Plus plus minus. RT, simply you remember rat. R is opposite for S, T is opposite for Q. You just remember like this, queens, first element, last element. Then first PRQU, P is the Photoshop, PR, simply you remember these two adding elements. Then Q and Q is minus, plus U, here V is there, you need to add here U. These are the 4 elements for result cases, for finding the multiplication of resultant matrices. This is the STRASSEMS matrix multiplication concept. And subscribe to Survey42 YouTube channel for more informative content. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.